BioRails for DMPK, a single workflow from request through data analysis to reporting results, all in one system. This is a demonstration of running the PK parameters DMPK collection assay in BioRails. I am first logging in as Rodney McKay. He is the chemist responsible for requesting assays to be carried out on samples. I can create a new request directly from the dashboard. I will be selecting samples from the database to be tested. Compounds entered here are validated against the database. Only valid compounds can be requested. I'm selecting the PK parameters queue, although you can select multiple queues if you like. The conditions of the assay can be set here. The requester can select a different dose, species, sex, route, matrix, and feeding regime for the PK assay. Each of these drop-downs has a defined list of available ones from the lab. I select the sample and confirm the request. I can now log out as Rodney McKay and log in as Samantha Carter. Samantha Carter is the DMPK team leader responsible for managing the DMPK assays. The latest request is on the PK parameters queue. After setting the status to active so that Rodney knows that it's being worked on, I create the task and assign it to Janet Fraser, a DMPK bench scientist who will be carrying out the assay. The created task has all of the settings previously defined. I'm now signing out as Samantha Carter and signing in as Janet Fraser. Janet Fraser is the bench scientist responsible for carrying out the assay. The tasks assigned to Janet are on her dashboard. Each task contains all of the information required to successfully carry out the assay. The Morphit analysis binder can be launched from the web page. The request settings are synchronized with Morphit. The first step is to import the raw data from the instrument file. The data is then organized and processed by Morphit. Settings can be adjusted, but the defaults are set from BioRails. In this PK assay, the day that the reading has been taken must be entered. The results are split into plasma and urine analysis depending on what's in the data. The full PK parameters are calculated. The results are organized, and the contents of this table are what will be uploaded to BioRails. The table in BioRails has been set up to capture all of the endpoint data of the assay. All intermediate data will be stored as a file on the server. Refreshing the web page shows that all the data has been uploaded to BioRails, including a copy of the binder and all of the charts. I can now log out as Janet Fraser and log back in as Samantha Carter. Samantha will be checking on the queue to see the progress that has occurred. The queue can be reviewed and there is a link to the result task. All of the information here can be exported in a variety of formats. You can also query historical data for this assay. All of the columns presented here can be searched or filtered on. This has been BioRails for DMPK in vivo PK assay.